Hey guys, this is Crypto Coin Investor. Today I'm going to take a look at the Litecoin. So we'll be discussing the Litecoin USD pair as well as the Litecoin BTC pair. So this is the Litecoin USD pair and it is fetched from Poloniex website. This is the daily chart, and this white line that you see here, this is the 200-day moving average. So this white line plays a very important role when you are looking at a chart on the daily basis. So as long as you're under this line, it is going to act as resistance, and whenever your favorite coin is able to close above it, as you can see here, it is going to act as support. You can see that once we were able to close above this line back in month of July 2020, this very line acted as support before we fell to the downside, and now it is acting as resistance. So we must close above around $47 to flip to the bullish side. MACD is looking promising, and things are looking great. The volume is good and all that. Let's take a look at the monthly chart, the weekly chart real quick, and let's change the moving average to 20 because that's important when you are on the weekly side. In the previous videos, I have mentioned that the $62 range is very important for the Litecoin USD pair because we must break above it, and once we break above $63, the next target is around $90. So it won't take much time for us to reach $90 once we have crossed this very area. However, you can see that even on the weekly, this $47 area is acting as huge resistance. So both daily and weekly resistance, we will need a ton of volume to break through it, and the MACD is on the weekly is not very promising. I would say it's flipped to the red side, and we can see that it has already been rejected here. So $49, we couldn't break through it, and we might go to the downside if some bullish momentum doesn't happen here. So on the daily charts looks okay, but not on the weekly chart. So let's take a look at the monthly chart of Litecoin USD, and nothing much to say here. We are still correcting. We're still, in this very range between the $21 and this $82 range. So we are still in this very range right now. We have not flipped to the green side on the monthly, so that's not very promising. However, let's see how the things are looking on the Litecoin BTC pair. This is from the Coinbase, and this is a monthly chart. You can see that we are below this white line again. It's at 0.007. That is going to act as heavy resistance zone if we are able to even touch that. On the MACD, I would say I am still neutral because it still looks like we are a long way away from flipping to the green side. On the weekly chart, we have flipped to the green side, but there is a huge chance that we might flip to the red on the MACD, which means it might go even down. It might go down further. So that's not very promising. The weekly moving average, the 20-day moving average, is at around 0.0047, and you can see that in the month of September we tested it and we immediately got rejected. So not very promising. On the weekly, let's see how is it doing on the daily. Let's change it to 200. So we are under this 200-day moving average by a long shot. That said, short-term trades can be done, and if you do enter and if the Litecoin actually pumps, you must sell it before 0.005 because I think it will be rejected again. You can see that in the past as well. Whenever we try to touch this line, it acted as resistance, and bam, we went down, and we went up again, then again we went down. This 200-day moving average acting as heavy resistance zone. So if once you're around this line, you can open a short and you can still earn money. Okay, so that's my outlook about Litecoin. I would say if I am a trader, I would wait for a close above this white line. Let me change it to 20-day, because I have got many businesses and I don't like to spend all day looking at the screens and stuff. So if I'm a trader, I would wait to flip. I would wait for the Litecoin to close above this white line. You can see that If I want to trade Litecoin, I would buy here and sell around here. You see that this is a major resistance zone. So I would buy here, I would buy a lot of Litecoin here, and I would start selling here, here, and here. And once we come down, once we close below this white line, I would sell all my Litecoins. So do not fall in love with your bags. They are just assets. So that's all about it. Hope you liked my video. Give us a like. That's all I need from you guys. And stay subscribed for more cryptocurrency, ICO news, and price analysis. Bye-bye.